Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the two-dimensional, okay, or multi-dimensional array, okay. We already discussed array, right, and single dimensional, okay. So today we will see how we can access, how we can declare and initialize the value in two-dimensional or multi-dimensional, okay. So we already studied matrix set, right? So matrix we know, right? These things. It will take 3 into 3, 3 row, 3 column, okay, matrix set, right? We already studied in matrix in math, right? So how many row? 1 2 3 column, 1 2 3, okay. So if you don't if you didn't saw my video, array video, first of all go and see my array video and single array, then you will understand multi-dimensional, okay? Because I'm already discussed arrays, what is the general syntax or our definition array, okay, and single dimensional array. Okay, if you didn't watch, first go and watch that. Okay, then you can see multi-dimensional video. Okay, see, so this is the row, correct? This is the columns. Okay, one, two, three, one, two, three, three matrix. Okay, so if you are in slice some value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So as we know, array, when you are coming to array, so when we want to count in array, we are using index, right? So it's a start from the zero. Okay, so zero row, zero column. Okay, one row, one column, two row, two column. This is the index. Agree? Index. Agree. Okay. So if I want to know what is the value of index 0, row index 0 and row column index 0, okay, so what is the value here? 1, okay, so we can easily identify, right? See, this is the index 0 of row, okay, so 0 index for row and column index 1, what is the value? 2. Understand? Next, 0 index for row, first row, and again index of 2 column, what is the value? 3. Like that we can understand, right? Okay, this is the concept, right? Same things we will see in programming also. Okay, up to here clear? Let's see multi-dimensional, right? Three-dimensional array. Okay, so we are going to discuss. Okay, so first of all we see syntax. Okay, general syntax. Okay, okay, so data type, array name, and array size, right? So this is the general syntax for array, right? See, in multi-dimensional, what how we are writing means, take data type, array name, arrays. Here, what we are taking? Rows and column both. Okay. So rows 3, size of 3, and column 3, size of 3. So this is the general syntax or declaration of two multi-dimensional array. Okay. So if you want to initialize some value in this, first open the curly bracket. Okay, main curly, inside write 1 2 3. This is what? Row value, right? Sorry, column value, right? So in one row one row I'm taken all three value. Okay, close the bracket. Again 4, 5, 6. Second column. Next third column. 7, 8, 9. Okay, close the main bracket. Semicolon. Okay, so this is the declaration and initialization of two-dimensional array. Okay, or multi-dimensional array. Okay, I hope this is clear. Declaration and initialization. Okay, so if I want to access or if I want to print, how can we access? That is the question, right? So see, index, if you want to, suppose it is the main function. Okay, okay. So now I want to print percentage t. Okay. So this is row, this is column, right? Understand from here. You can elaborate. Okay. See. So in row, what is the index? 0 I am taking. So before that, take the that variable name. Arrays row index is 0. First row I am taking. Okay. Again I am taking column. Column row 0 I am taking. Correct? Now close the bracket, semicolon. Print. What is the output we will keep? So what is the index in row 0 means 1, in column 1. So output should be become 1. Okay. See, next we want to print. You can print here also. I'm writing another printing a statement. No issue. Okay. So array index of, I want to print index 1. Correct. And row I will take index 2. No issue. Index of 2 I am taking. Okay. So close the bracket. What is the output? Think. Think here. Otherwise you can relate from this table. Okay. Index, this is row. What is the row? Index, this one 1. Correct. What is the column? 2. Correct. So in column, this is second row, first index 1. Okay. Then in column, index is 2, right? 2. So what is the value? 6. In this row, first, in second row, first index is 1, right? Index 1 is given. And in column, index is 2. So what is the value? 6. So 6 it will print. Okay. Similar, if you want to print another statement, array of 2, index of 0 I will take. 0. What is the output? Think. See, first of all, see, index of row is 2. Correct. This is row. This is column. Index is 0. What is the in last? 7. 7 is the output. Like that, it will access if you are going to print the statement. Okay. So I hope you are getting. See, we will take some example for using for loop. Okay. So I will use for, like how in single dimensional we use 4, right? So here also we can use like that. If you want to print all the index or value. Okay. So see, 4 I before declare. Okay, I equal to 0. Okay, semicolon. I is row. First of all, take row. Okay, I is less than 3. Then I plus plus. Okay, open bracket. So here 2 is there, row and column, right? So we have to write for 2 loop. Okay, like in nested loop, right? Loop, right? So see again 4 and j equal to 0, and j is less than 3. Okay, and j plus plus. Okay, 1 for taken rows, 1 for taken I for taken rows, ij for taken column, right? Like that we can understand. Okay. See, then here print percentage d, okay, comma, what is the array of I and array of j. Okay, close the bracket. Okay. If you will print, then all the index will print. Index I is 0, right? Index j is 0. It will be, we know na root 4 why we are using. So we want to print number of times data we are using. Okay, irritation when we want to do data. So it will take automatically. If I equal to 0, then print 1. I equal to 0 means 1 will print. If I 0, 1 means 2 will print. 0, 2 means 0 index, and 2 index means 3 will print. Like that it will be print all the value. Okay, up to 9. Okay, so the output should will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, these are the output if you are printing like that using for loop. Okay, now in last video as I discussed, like if you want to modify, if you want to change the any value, suppose index of 0 0, okay, I'm given 1. If I want to give some another number 100, okay, you can also do, no issue. See, so now you can do here arrays index of 0 and array index of 0. This is row, this is column, remember. Okay, so I want to assign the value is 100. Okay, now if you want to print percentage d, okay, close bracket, arrays index of 0 index of 0, okay, the outputs it will come 100. Okay, because we change the value. Okay, so like that we can access the using for loop, we can modify also. Okay, so this is what the multi-dimensional array. Okay, I hope you got something. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. We will meet in another video, okay, with some interesting topic. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video.